Hey family, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, you're welcome. For the first time, please click on the subscribe and be part of our family. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also leave me a comment in the comment section. So I'm about to make a lightening body lotion for myself, guys. For like 6 months, if I throughout this year, I've not used a body lotion, and this is the first time I'm going to be using a lotion in this year. So I have with me my oil, my half cask oil, and that in that little container was my stearic acid and my e-wax, and that I'm just turning into my oil. And I have my avocado butter. This is what I'm about to turn into the oil. And I also have my distilled water by the side. Guys, you don't want to use tap water. Make sure it's distilled water, okay, when it comes to lotion making or whatever other formulations. You can skip distilled water for soap, but never skip it for your lotion. So I'm going to tell you a little story about my avocado butter, how I found out about avocado butter. Guys, you won't believe that there was a time I went to a bar to buy ingredients when I first started, and I went there and I wanted to buy cocoa butter, and this guy gave me on a butter and was like, that's cocoa butter. I was like, this is not cocoa butter. I don't know what cocoa butter was like then, but I took it because it looked so soft and silky and was really nice. Only for me to later on, when I had, kept learning, and I realized that what he gave me was avocado butter, not cocoa butter. And that's how I actually found out about avocado butter and started using it. Anyway, long story short, oh my god, what I did was I actually melted my oil and my water. Okay, I had to double boil it, and I used my temperature like you saw there to check for the temperature out. And I mixed my oil into my water, but because that beaker was too small, I had to get my basin. You guys should know this basin by now. Anyways, you see all that's going on there. You don't want to be too vigorous like me, so you don't end up having like foam on your lotion. But trust me, I was able to clear the foam out later on. But then prevention is